Attl and Company Machine Factory is a well-established manufacturer of forming machines and production lines with a strong emphasis on individual customer needs. In recent years, the company has also expanded its operation into the automotive industry. This raised increased demands on mechanical equipment of the factory.
When we started the production of stainless steel tubes for heat exchangers, we found out that in order to make it easier for the end customer to work with these products, an additional operation was necessary, so-called tuning. This step consists of two calibration heads rounding the edge of each tube, which makes the product right. This operation was at first conducted manually by our employees. However, the serial production required us to automate this operation, for evident economic and production volume reasons. Due to the fact that development and production of our own manipulator for handling this operation would have been very time-consuming, we quickly decided to use a robot.
Universal Robots manufactures industrial robots achieving maximum level of safety even without protective caging and safety barriers. Every robot precisely corresponds in its parameters with the purpose of its deployment and provides high reliability and accuracy of work. Easy operation by trained personnel minimizes the need for service calls and increases return on investment.
Once we decided to automate our production, we made a 3D model and sent it to Exactech. The company subsequently proposed the best solution, which in this case was the UR5 robot arm. Once we agreed on this option, they lent us one robot for testing. Over the course of a month, we verified that this method is feasible and the implementation of 6 robots followed. Then came the training of designers so that we could configure the robots, followed by a subsequent implementation into the production process. This took us a week for each robot at the most. Operating the robot is very intuitive. Staff training took no longer than 3 days.
The main function of the 3 UR5 robot arms deployed on manufacturing lines producing stainless steel tubes for exhaust gas coolers and EGR valves is to insert the semi-finished tools into an edge rounding machine. One operation cycle takes the robot approximately 2 seconds, which means that 30 tubes are manufactured every minute. All 3 robots work on average 20 hours a day, 6 days a week.
Our technology is extremely routine and monotonous, and as such it's not entirely suitable for human operators. So it's far better for us to use robots that can operate 24 hours a day. It's more effective, more efficient and faster. Due to the fact the robot operation is very simple, reprogramming it for a new task takes us 1 day at the most. As we basically move the tube from point A to point B in the production process, we use pneumatic grippers, which give us a sufficiently firm grip and precise handling. The production takes place in 3 shifts. The return on investment was 6.5 months in this case. The main benefit is obviously the economic return. Another benefit is that the robots are working at the highest level, quickly, reliably, accurately. As an example, the only complaint we had during the entire 2 years of operation was solved by the contractor the next day after reporting it. Another reason why we like the robots is that they are designed for working with people, so we're not required to install any additional protective caging or safety barriers. With our previous positive experience with these robots, we surely plan to purchase more of them to further automate our production.